Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, in today's video we are doing a jewelry haul. So this is my package from Jeulia. Looks like this. I'm so excited to show this to you guys. I've already opened the package because I filmed a short unboxing this, as well as a YouTube PR haul. So if you are interested in checking that out, I will leave it in the description box below. I also have a coupon code with them, which I'll link somewhere on the screen here if you guys want to check out Jeulia for yourself. And again, thank you so much, Jeulia, for getting me to check out your jewelry. I'm very, very excited to finally be able to wear this as I'm doing this video today. So without further ado, let's get right into it. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into this box, you guys. So it comes like this, very just sleek packaging. I absolutely love it. And then we open it up here and you get some information. This is definitely very giftable. You do get this little Jeulia jewelry bag in here. And it comes with a few things as well. It comes with like a jewelry polishing cloth, which is such a good thing to have. Not only with their jewelry, but with your other jewelry as well. It's just good to have a polishing cloth for it. You get a couple more things here. Just this pamphlet here about returns, and you get a coupon here, and you get this. I mentioned this in my PR haul that this actually came with this little pamphlet, little book here that reminds me of just a simpler time. It reminds me of the 90s when you'd have to like order things out of a catalog. Just look at that. Like, companies don't do this these days. They just send you their website info and that's it. This kind of gets you to look at all the designs that they offer. Not all of them, but like different collections that they have in stock and everything like that. And it's just really, really cool and nostalgic, and it's cute. So it does come with this. And then I'm gonna get into the 3 pieces that I picked out right here. Okay, so let's go into this one first. This is the first box. This is what their packaging looks like. Again, really, really nice and giftable. Love their packaging. And this is a beautiful ring. Look at this. It is so pretty. And I mentioned this in my PR haul again, is that this is not a piece that I would normally go for. I am more of a silver girly. I like white gold, I like silver, but I kind of went out of my comfort zone for this one and I have no regrets. It is beautiful. So I'm gonna take this out and actually put it on my finger to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. So I got size 5, if you are wondering, and it is a perfect fit. I recommend getting a ring sizer or getting your hand kind of like fitted for rings at a jewelry store, like a local jewelry store. Just go to your mall, and if you don't know your size and you're shopping for a ring online, definitely do that. They are more than willing to measure your finger if you go into any mall jewelry store. So that is the first piece, and I love it. Moving on to this one right here. It's a bigger box, and I think this is the necklace. Oh, it is, yeah. This is again, really surprising of me to get this, but this is what it looks like right here. It is a gold necklace, and I picked this out because it stood out to me. It's definitely something that's really unique in my personal opinion. It has a lot of different colors going on. Looks like that. It's just like a statement piece. This is just so cute. It's just something that I don't typically go for. I love how there's colors going on here. The butterfly design, just overall, it's just really, really cute. So I'm just gonna show you guys. It's easier to show it out of the packaging to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. It's too far away. I'm just gonna do it on the back of my hand. The quality of the jewelry is also really nice. Like this is really, really good quality. It's really shiny gold, and it'll be nice to polish this up and everything like that. Hopefully this is focusing. Okay. That is what the pendant looks like. Overall, really, really beautiful. And again, such a nice giftable piece if you have someone in your life. Now, if they like an array of jewelry colors, you know, they're indecisive like I am, this is actually so cute because it has purple, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Very nice. So that is the necklace. Now let's move on to the last piece, which is this one right here, which is a ring. I would also like to mention that with Jeulia pieces, I have showered with them. I've washed my hands with them on. No, they have not tarnished, so that can give you kind of an indication on overall quality of the jewelry. You're not getting something that's really cheap that'll turn green in like a couple uses. This is really, really good quality, and like I said, it comes with the polishing cloth, which is also really nice. And this piece is so cute and dainty for my girlies that like stacking rings. This is basically like a 2-for-1. You get 2 stackable rings right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I love the star one. I think it's so adorable. And then it also comes with a moon, and they are also mixed metals. So these are mixed metal pieces, as you guys can see right here. The top one is a rose gold, and then the bottom one right here is a silver. So moon, stars, just cute and dainty, and I absolutely love it. I kind of almost want to keep this one on, but the tag is still attached to the moon one, so I can just keep the silver one on. It's really adorable. And yeah, like I love this piece because you're getting 2 cute dainty rings for the price of 1. So that is really cool. And yeah, that is pretty much it for my haul from Jeulia Jewelry. If you guys want to check them out, I will leave all of their info in the description box below, as well as my coupon code to save you some dollars if you are in the mood to go jewelry shopping in the near future. Definitely consider Jeulia. And that is it for this video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye. I let you deeper than I